Hello everyone, this is Rocket Jeff Maychick. How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? So here's the plan. I'm gonna go and get pavers to go put up in the front yard. The weather's kind of crappy right now. Shout out to Tweenie, my loves. Shout out to Margie TV. And that's it for now. I just gotta get my stuff, and I don't want to drive my dad crazy too much. So, shout out to ZIVRV Locks. So, never know. Oh my gosh, our garbage can's all the way out in the street. Hang on, I'm gonna grab the recycling out of the road. Nah. Somebody had to put in recycling again. When they came to pick it up, they stuck it out in the road. I could just bring it up, but it's kind of hard to bring them both up at the same time. Ooh, I think we got rain in here. Alright. Well, it's quite obviously I'm not going to be able to roll these back up at the same time, but I am going to get it up here. So, remember I told you about the work area that I was doing? Yeah. Alright, so maybe I can bring one of the cans up anyway. I'll bring the recycling can up because I know if I had both hands, I probably could do both, but so be it. I mean, I gotta do a video once in a while. My dad doesn't understand. Bring one up and then get the other later. Those two arms been sitting in here. Ah, it's starting to rain.
Do you have any idea how many pavers you need?
She said 35.
How'd you figure 35?
We both walked across and put our feet one foot in front of the other. And she was down here. So have pavers going down this way and then coming up around the front.
I think you're wrong. Did you measure how many feet it was?
It'll go down that way and then put stuff up in the front. And now it's raining. Was this a bad day to do this? Was it raining earlier?
You're saying you're going this way?
Yeah.
And that way?
Going down an angle and then right in front of the...
You're more than 35. You got 8 feet there. Got 8 feet there.
Well,
and almost 16 feet there.
it's going to be like the ones that we have around the trees.
And if they're 8-inch blocks, I'm not going to do this 2 times. Let's measure.
Okay. You got measuring tape? I guess so. Not that side. We're not. She didn't say anything about doing there.
What?
Didn't say anything about doing along the brick.
What?
Didn't say anything about doing anything along the brick.
Well, how are you going to keep the plants in?
She didn't say anything about putting
How are you
brick.
going to keep the plants in?
She just figures with me digging all the compost and everything, that it'll she just wants, the mailman must have knocked that out. But it comes down through here,
Yeah, I got that.
and then along the front
I
here.
got that. What's it going to do on this side here?
I don't know, but she said she didn't think we needed anything there. She said it would be fine. My phone's getting wet. Oh boy, oh boy. I do not want to walk through the grass. Alright, well, I'll have to see you later. Whoa, I got too close. I must have hit something. Sorry about that. Alright, I'll see you in my next upload. Stay dry. It's raining.